Wait a second. Born or born? What is the difference? I was born in Paris. She has borne 3 children. Both are incorrect. These two words come from the same verb, bear, but they are used in completely different situations. Let's make it simple. Born is used for birth. It is only used when we talk about coming into life. Examples: I was born in Paris. This tells where my life started. She was born in 2000. This tells the time she came into the world. He was born into a poor family. This shows the situation or condition at the time of his birth. Born is used for carrying, holding, or dealing with something. It's not about birth, it's about responsibility, pressure, or physical carrying. Examples: she has borne many difficulties. She has carried or endured many problems. The bridge is borne by strong pillars. The pillars carry and support the weight of the bridge. He has borne the responsibility alone. He has carried all the responsibility by himself. The core difference: born related to birth, born related to carrying or enduring. Born, life begins. Born, weight is carried. So next time you speak, use them correctly.